Ultraboost 21 for women, size 38.67, and here's the shoe. Looks great. Very strong and high midsole, double midsole, the double Ultraboost midsole, followed by their 21 design for this outsole with their continental rubber outsole, just portioned at the front periphery and in the center, and the other side the rubber outsole. The design is of course different than the Ultraboost 19 and 20. At the bottom you can see it's very much different. It's a whole new level of technology they have offered, and the sole drop is pretty high. You can see pretty high sole drop. Sock liner section is pretty stretchable and comforting. It's a lot of foam over here to get going just around your ankles, and the insole they are using, they're making this from recycled ocean material, and it's a very good philosophy that they have introduced, recycling materials to form something very useful. This is how it looks. Nevertheless, one of the very best running shoes, and I believe they are going to sustain the legacy of Ultraboost right from the Ultraboost 1 that Ultraboost 20 has sustained till now. So this is it for the Ultraboost 21. This Ultraboost 21 comes in many colors, but this one is typical for women and youth.